कस्टमर के दिल को अपनी कंपनी से जोड़ रहा हूँ। गुड मॉर्निंग सर, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मैं विराज विद्यार्थी बोल रहा हूँ। Good morning, everyone. My name is Viraj Vidyarthi, and today I am going to sell my product, which is a Britannia biscuit. I come from Britannia company, and I want to sell this biscuit to you. First thing is that about my company. My company name is Britannia, and it's provide many type of biscuit. You can say Butter Delight, Good Day, and Bourbon, and many things. Second thing is that why you should purchase this biscuit. This biscuit is very tasty and crunchy. If you are doing hard work in your office, if you are doing study in your home, in your school, you getting frustrated and you getting bored, you should take this biscuit and you should take some break for 5 minutes. And if you take this biscuit uh, for your in your break with tea and coffee, after that you will realize that fresh and energetic. So that's why you should purchase this biscuit, because of if you will if you will take this biscuit, you feel very energetic and fresh. Second thing is that this biscuit is not cheap. First thing is that this biscuit is not cheap. This biscuit is premium. So you should purchase this biscuit. Everyone can afford this biscuit. Is price only 5 rupees, and everyone can purchase and everyone can afford this biscuit. Second thing is that this biscuit is totally sugar free. If many people are suffering disease of sugar, so this biscuit is totally sugar free. According to yourself, you can purchase, and many people want to take, but they can't because of disease. They are facing lot of problems. So my company provide totally sugar free biscuit, and it will increase your energy and many things. This biscuit give 100 gram calories in yourself, and it biscuit also provide, my company also provide trust. Many company provide that type of biscuit. They are using very dirty chemicals and maida, you can say, in making of biscuit, but my company provide very pure and very good thing to making this type of biscuit. So that's why you should purchase this biscuit, and this is very cheap and you can purchase very easily. So now I'm giving you very good offer to you for only today. This biscuit cost is 5 rupees, but if you purchase all, I will give you some discount. If you purchase this biscuit is totally free for you. So that's all. If you anybody want to purchase, you can. I'm giving this offer for only today. There is very limited time. Can you repeat again your price? Sir, this price is 5 rupees. But if you purchase all this biscuit, then this biscuit is totally free. If someone purchases all, then sir, because this is not cheap, this is the expense. This is not cheap. This is premium biscuit. Every company provide very cheap biscuit, but my company is very premium. That's why. Sir, my company don't give this type of discount, but you are a first customer for me, so you can give me 4 rupees, because of my company provide you only for you. You are a very special person for us, for my company. That's why. If you will take this biscuit, you can enjoy your time with your friends. If it, but one is condition, there is no udhar because of my compulsion. So if you want to purchase, you can.